following questions.
Question number 1. How many muscles does our body have? Answer: there are over 700 muscles in the body and are made up of the same elastic tissue. Number 2. What are the main functions of muscles? Answer: it is the one responsible for the movement of our body, movement of substances through the body, and the posture and body position.
Aside from skeleton and muscle that makes up our body, there's also another system that is responsible in supplying nutrients to it, and this is called digestive system. But before we proceed to our lesson, let us know first our learning objectives for this day. Now, I want you to take a look at this food and tell me which one of these is your favorite. May I know? Wow, I also like ice cream and hamburgers. Now, do you have any idea how this food became nutrients to our body? Correct! We eat them using our mouth and then they get digested in our stomach. And the one responsible for it is what we call our digestive system.
Digestive system is the one responsible for breaking down food and converting them into nutrients to be supplied in our body. Now, what is digestion? Digestion is the complex process of turning the food you eat into nutrients which the body uses for energy, growth, and cell repair needed to survive. The digestion process also involves creating waste to be eliminated. Have you ever wondered how the food travels to our digestive system? The digestion starts with the mouth. The mouth is the beginning of the digestive system, and in fact, digestion starts here before you even take the first bite of a meal. The smell of food triggers salivary glands in your mouth to secrete saliva, causing your mouth to water. When you actually taste the food, saliva increases. Then the food will travel to our pharynx and esophagus. Also called the throat, the pharynx is the portion of the digestive tract that receives the food from your mouth. Branching off the pharynx is the esophagus, which carries the foods to the stomach, and the trachea or windpipe, which carries air to our lungs. The food will go down to our stomach and small intestine. The stomach is a sac-like organ with strong muscular walls. In addition to holding food, it serves as the mixer and grinder of food. The stomach secretes acid and powerful enzymes that continue the process of breaking down the food and changing it to a consistency of liquid or paste. The digested food will go to colon, rectum, and anus. The colon, or large intestine, is a 5 to 7 foot long muscular tube that connects the small intestine to the rectum. It is made up of the cecum, the ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, and the sigmoid colon, which connects to the rectum. The waste will be secreted out of our body through the anus. Our digestive system is also composed of accessory digestive organs, namely pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Pancreas, among the other functions, is the chief factory for digestive enzymes that are secreted into the duodenum, the first segment of the small intestine. These enzymes break down protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Next is the liver. The liver has multiple functions, but two of its main functions within the digestive system is to make and secrete an important substance called bile, and to process the blood coming from the small intestine containing the nutrients just absorbed. The liver purifies this blood of many impurities before traveling to the rest of the body. The last one is the gallbladder. The gallbladder is a storage sac for excess bile. Bile made in the liver travel to the small intestine via the bile duct. Bile serves two main purposes. First, it helps absorb fat in the diet, and secondly, it carries waste from the liver that cannot go through the kidneys. Let's go to the common diseases of digestive systems. The first one is the peptic ulcer disease or PUD and gastritis. 2, we have the stomach flu. 3, we have constipation. 4, hemorrhoids. And 5, gallstones. But how are we going to keep our digestive system healthy? The first one is eat a high-fiber diet. Number 2, be sure you're getting both soluble and insoluble fiber. Number 3, minimize your intakes of foods high in fat. Number 4, select lean meats. 5, add probiotics to your diet. 6, follow a regular eating schedule. And 7, drink plenty of water.
Now that you already know the different parts of our digestive system and how the food is being digested, let us proceed to our activity.
Directions. Label the digestive system properly and write down their corresponding functions. Write your answer on a 1/4 sheet of paper and do it for 5 minutes.
Okay, time's up. Buttons up. Let us check your answer. Number 1. The correct answer is mouth. Number 2, esophagus. Number 3, stomach, correct. Number 4, liver. Number 5, of course, it's our small intestine. Number 6, large intestine. And number 7, the rectum. Great job, students! Now, digestive system truly plays a big role when it comes to our body system. Therefore, we must take good care of them. And with that, we will now proceed to our final activity.
Directions. On a short bond paper, create a chart of 5 healthy tips or practices that will keep your digestive system fit and healthy. Using any coloring materials available, add design to your chart.
We are finally through with our lesson, and I hope you learned something today. But before we end, I will leave you with this quote. It says that the best and the most efficient pharmacy is within our own system. So eat healthy and take good care of our digestive system. Thank you for watching and see you on the next episode. Goodbye!